Hi, so I'm out here at Big Spring State Park here in West Texas, and I'm trying a new antenna. I got back from a little trip to Tennessee where we got to hang out in Nashville and the Smoky Mountains for a few days. I was QRP out there and it was kind of frustrating on 20 meters. I couldn't get hardly any contacts. 40 meters was pretty good in Tennessee. So I wanted to try a better antenna when I got home. I was going to come out early this morning, but our flight didn't get in until about 2 in the morning because we had some delays. We were supposed to get in about 5 o'clock last night. So I got some stuff done around the house this morning and then came out this afternoon. I've got about 100 contacts in the log in about 2 hours, so I think this antenna is working pretty well. Let me show you what I've got set up. So here's the parasitic array. I've got 3 elements. You can see in the middle on the PVC pipe, I've got a quarter wave with 2 elevated radials. I've tuned that for 14.05 megahertz. And then I set up a reflector behind on my truck, and that is tuned for 5% lower frequency, so it's a little 5% longer using a nano VNA. And then in front here on the tripod, I've got a director, and that is tuned for 5% higher frequency using a nano VNA. And the spacing, I have about 10.5 feet from the radiating element to the director, and about 14 feet from the radiating element to the reflector. And I think that's about ideal spacing from what I can understand. It was interesting because I tuned everything with the nano VNA, the radiating element first, and then I hooked it back up, and obviously I guess with the coupling between the other elements, it actually changed quite a bit, the SWR and the impedance. As you can see here, after tuning, I actually shorted. I have a little bullet connector that is connected to the radials, and the same with the reflector. So you actually want to short the radials to the reflector and director elements. So far I'm very pleased with this setup. It seems like it's doing quite well even in tough band conditions.